Welcome back to Scale Auto Guys Workbench. Just a real quick video today. It's kind of like a midweek crisis, if you will. I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys what I recently bought and what's coming to the channel in the future. I'm not going to say when, because I don't know when, but sometime in the future. I was over at Hobby Lobby yesterday, and I saw a couple kits there that I hadn't seen there before, and I thought to myself, I just should probably buy them. So here's the first one. It's from Corel. It's the Chevy Love 4x4 High Roller. Now this looks like it's going to be a pretty easy build, quick easy build, most likely a snap together, and you know how Corel does not like to say those two words together. This kit only has 74 pieces, but it is molded in white, and here's some of the after built pictures. I think it looks too tall. Imagine me saying that. But I think it's lifted a little bit too high. It looks a little bit ridiculous, but it does come with a V8 engine and dual exhaust. So we're going to put this thing together. Hopefully it'll look pretty good when I'm done. Something different. Okay, next up, this is, I think, a re-release, a repop, because I have one that looks similar to this, but it's got a different name in a different box, but it looks very similar. This is the 79 GMC record called Captain Hook, and I think I have one in the stash somewhere that goes by a different name, but it's probably the same exact truck. It wouldn't surprise me a bit. And it's that other one is a 2011 Corel kit, so this one's a little bit more recent. This one's a 2025. So again, it's probably a snap together. Oh, I swore at Corel. Oh, oops. 57 parts, and molded in white. Here's some of the, I don't know if you guys can see it, the light's kind of reflecting off of the plastic here, but it looks like it's one of those 81 Camaro two-piece engines. Not very well detailed, but it's a tow truck, and I bought it, and it was 40% off. So I'm going to build it. Next up, something from Round 2 Auto World store. I just ordered this a day or two ago, and it arrived. Here's the packing slip for it. You guys can see what that is already, don't you? Yeah. It is the 1960s Chevy Nomad station wagon. I have big plans for this car. It is part of the Craftsman Plus series, so that means no engine. That's okay. This does come with an opening hood. It's not going to show me here. Maybe on the box. You can see it's got an opening hood. It also has a firewall. So at just 83 parts, it's not going to be, you know, detail heavy, but I have some serious plans for this. I don't want to reveal it right now. Let's just say I went to Iceman Collections and ordered an engine, and I've got some different wheels that I'm going to be putting on it, and most likely different tires. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to have to wait till I get the box open and see what I got. But yeah, this is going to be pretty awesome. I'm pretty psyched about that Nomad. I have watched other creators' videos on that particular kit, and it looks fantastic. So I thought, let me put my spin on it and let's see what I can do with it. It may look stupid when I'm done. I don't know. I don't know how it's going to turn out yet, but I have big plans. Alright guys, it's just a real quick video here. Let you know I bought these 3 kits. They're coming to the channel soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. You know all that stuff. If you got any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you on the next build. Thanks for watching.